any fish. We have a group of people in. There is a get a drink here.
I need the kids.
Hello, hello. We are on a beautiful Jewfish basin here, Key West, Florida. Key West is all the way there. We have a group of people in the water already, some rentals and some party people all around. Cuban music, beautiful sunny day. Hey guys, my name is Daniel. I'm here at the Key West, Florida, and I'm on a Jewfish basin, which is a beautiful place with a sandbar. We're here in the Gulf of America, and today we just make a short trip to the sandbar here, and as you can see there is a bunch of boats all around, and just chilling, listening to music, drinking beer. And yeah, I'm drinking beer too because today I'm a guest on a boat. I'm not a captain for today, which is cool. I like it, and I can get a drink. There is like waterways all around.
Satellite communication.
Yes, satellite communication, yeah. It was some beta version before, and now it's official.
It's awesome.
Yeah. All the mangroves here, and look at the calm and beautiful clean water here. Full of sharks. Yes. What kind of shark do you think?
Oh, definitely bull.
Bull shark? Nice. Like gators or crocodiles? Not
I
much.
don't think I've ever seen them.
Hmm.
I've seen any snakes. Oh, there's one, David.
Oh, nice.
Beautiful.
We're still here. You can see we have a couple boats in front of us. Another boat is just passing us. This side. Hi. Stingray. Stingray. Wow. Uh-huh. Wow. People are chilling here. Such a beautiful Saturday. Yeah, hi. Now we have a private beach here. Thank you, Captain Kelly. Yay. Whee! Yo-yo. Alright. People stop there. Eating for a dinner. Going for a dinner. Walk. So we're going on a dinner with the boat. So we're going to Hurricane Hall, and yep, leaving beautiful Matkis. Going straight to the open Gulf of America. You can see there is a party on a boat. And this is it, guys. This is a beautiful Saturday afternoon here at Florida Keys, Key West. It's about 6:15, I guess, p.m. and beautiful last days of month of June. It's gonna be low tide in about 2 hours, so you still see the water is getting low and low, and we are here. So beautiful mangroves. Small sandbank here. Just checking if we can see anything alive, any fish, shark, or whatever. Here's pretty narrow drive.
I need the kids.
Beautiful ride through the mangroves. And let's go. We got some guys fishing here. Hi. He caught the Jordans.
Super low tide.
Yeah. Today maybe my boat fits there. Good morning.
Good morning, how are you? I'm fine, I'm fine, thank you. Oh yeah.
Under my back, it's not going well either.
Now we're going under the bridge. Ooh. Heron. It's a blue heron, yeah?
I think it is even, blues are kind of the gray. This is
So what kind of heron you think?
Is it a white egret? I should know my birds, I don't. I know this one.
I thought it's blue because it's like blue and it's white. Flying beautifully. Watch for the sharks here. Mama. Mami, dívej se do vody, tady budou žraloci. Maybe we will see some. And I took my flip-flops.
It's gonna hurt.
And guys, you can rent this aqua lodge. It looks like a beautiful place to stay on the water, but it's a totally scam. And I will explain you why. When we get home, I will explain you how this thing works. Gentleman is sleeping there. They have more and more here. Such a good business, probably. So now we will go here and we will parking, so I will help. So we are in a beautiful hurricane home at Key West. You can see tarpons all around there. There's a gas station, $4.65 for reg 90. It's a good price. It's a little bit overpriced, but whatever. And all these boats are charters. And I'm going to see if we see any fish here. Sometimes it's fish here. Oh, there is a nurse shark, a huge one. You see the shark there? Yeah. You can see the nurse shark. So we have him swimming. It's a nice one. On Valky. There is our group waiting for food. So food is here. Nice. Thank you. It's me. Thank you. It's a cake. Listen. Blackened fish.
And our shrimp.
And shrimp.
Thank you. Yes, thanks.
Is the whole pound?
I guess so. Yeah, it's
Looks
the big.
small.
I mean,
Peel and eat shrimps. I don't know why I have this cake here. Never saw it before. Dobrou chuť. So, I have my yellowtail snapper here. Let's eat it.
Yeah, the grilled.
It's grilled.
si dato sama ulit.
Yes.
Mom got fish too? Yeah.
Oh.
Ale to je dobré, také pikantné to ja mám.
Also,
A to je samička dokonca. Aha. Agama, 76 cm.